Haino hai lahar pati muni koktoma kasi phayoka lahar pati mung rokni chomong kari haste kanangai hasne kereng thairago salbrum no lahar pati mung pati waitongo kebo ba lahar pati mungo langma chogo kebo ba khora kompa angnani nango abahaino pati mung koktoma kasaka Bihik busano school bus kango ton riwui 100 meter high hakjalo thangkino wrong side ti phainai kotor Lorry Malkhung bai Thutaijagwi kelang jakha Shamol Pathari mungo wrong mistri ni samung khlainai Patima thayono Thutaijagwi Langma chomani koktoma Shamol Pathari bo simino Khoroksa susu ajinai Fiaba kotor Lorry Malkhung bai Thutaijagwi Langma choi thangka bini
Irignai naithok irignai hamjang rongni bagai naithok te quality kaham irignai tabuk hatiwo belei rang klai baino manthugui tongo manthogo yak bai takja irignai chamuthu irisha kan boro manthogo katal jorani machine bai takja naithok bumulni palini irignai tiprasha hukumu mari rangtang surang Chandrahar wakhum toya kharu joto manthogo haike lerida tongsidi tabung no krungdi kan rubai te kan borok phal nokbai oro wholesale te khusra rignai risabo phajago manthogo jerok rignai bania khlainai borok o phal noknino rignai risha wholesale tlangai bania bu khlai manai haike lerida tongsidi krungdi nikuma Agartala North Banmalipur near Yongs Corner Club West Tripura Mobile number 9862821223 Tekisa kokdu number 87878315552 oblique 825891971 oblique 8119938 Khulumka hasani lukurangno norgni bagai bilekino kaham sep tubi faika St Joseph Hospital West Nowabadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura hasane fatara thaya karanyo hayung bermni shakdok naikani sep nahari mano bilekino rangkisha baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo sakdok naijago o hospital lo x-ray ki sutui cough test khairni bagai namasak shepshap tongo te test khlai ujago O hospital lo hati bar thagino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abashimia o St Joseph Hospital lo talburum na Chennai ni specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarok no phai naifeyo abno kariba o hospital lo latest technology bai dal bidal bemarok ni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bemni shakdok sebmana ni musung khake eba tebashina musung khake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015 and from this humble beginning over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. ortho and uro specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month, second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha, St. Joseph Hospital, Agartala, Omo Kaisha Kaham Hospital, Oro Kaham Treatment Ungo, Operation Facilities Rock Tongo, every month, Chennai ni specialist doctor Hayor treatment Kaipayo, Kubuni Hospital Lokin Sulai, Oro Kisha Rangbaino, Kaham Treatment Ungo, all types of investigation, blood test, X-ray, scan Ungo, 24-hour doctor facilities Tongo, Taibo Kaham Kai Shaiman Nani Bagai, Tin Hospital of Hai visit Kalaimano, Hambai.